Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Combined Objective Past Question 36. The following are trading figures for Rosemary Trading Company for the ended 31st December 2005. So you have the description, the trading figures. So the question is, calculate the gross profit or loss of the company. A. 3,500 naira, B. 15,500 naira, C. 22,500 naira, D. 35,000 naira, E. 74,500 naira. So gross profit is what we are looking for, and gross profit is described as the difference between the selling price and cost price of a particular period. But however, when you are given trading figures like this to calculate it, the gross profit is usually expressed as, so gross profit is equal to sales minus opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So what you do is you subtract closing stock from purchases, you add the answer to opening stock, and then you add that answer you get, you subtract it from the sales. Now from the figures given to us, sales is 80,000 naira. So 80,000 minus the opening stock. So stock 1st January 2005 is the opening stock. So that is 7,000. So 7,000 minus or plus opening stock plus, so purchases, which is 8,500, purchases 8,500, and then minus closing stock, which is stock 31st December 10,000. So that would be 80,000 minus 5,500. So if you add this together and you subtract 10,000 from it, what you get is 5,500 naira. And 5,500 minus, or 80,000 minus 5,500 is equal to 74,500 naira, and that is option E. So option E, 74,500 naira is the gross profit of this company. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.